guys, welcome back to another Inside Race Day. Today we're out here at El Paso again, as always, for our final race of the season, our championship race. And the car is out here looking all pretty, looking all good. And hopefully we'll actually get some laps and have a good night of racing. So after our heat race, thoughts a little bit. Track was feeling really good, car was feeling good, everything was feeling pretty good. We're really happy about getting another win as always. Great to win our heat races even though they don't matter as much as the features. But other than that, car's feeling great, running great. It's a little bit dark already. Supposedly we're getting 20 laps for our feature race, which is what we should normally get. We'll see if that is true though because of everything going on with all the other divisions and everything. But we're feeling good, feeling confident. We're starting from position 3, starting behind the 19 car, who we're battling for the win there. A little confused on how they flipped it again, but as always, they always confuse us, but it's all right. But yeah, hoping to go out there, end this season with another win and the championship. And that's how we capped off one hell of a rookie season. I just want to thank everybody that was a part of this and everybody that's been through or been with me since the beginning of the season and everything. It's crazy the amount of support you guys have given me, and I've just been having a blast making these videos. I know this is a little late and everything. Just had a lot going on recently, but what a way to end the season. Crowned as champion in our rookie season. What a perfect season. Couldn't ask for much better. But thank you guys so much for all the support. We'll have some more videos coming out soon. The race recap will drop in a few days after I get that edited together. We got some more power tour videos in the works, and some videos about what the future holds. But yeah, thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching and everything, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.